Download a file, come over to this website, and upload that file so you can do whatever you want while money is coming into your account. Today we will be going over a strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars in passive income without investing hours and hours of your previous time. This is for free, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. The site that will be part of this strategy today is called plrmines.com. This is one of the two sites that I will be showing you today. PLR Mines is a site where you can find various digital products. They range from ebooks to video tutorials, website templates, various software, and so on. What's special about it is that you can get to download and use the said products for completely free and with a license to do so. PLR is standing for Product Label Rights, so you can basically download an ebook, for example, and you can resell it. You can customize it and then resell it. You can literally do whatever you want with the products on this site, since it permits you to do so. With that said, however, I don't want to give the wrong impression. We are not selling anything, just like I promised you. You won't need sales skills or whatever. Nothing like that. By clicking on freebies here, you'll be able to see what products we have on this site. You have free ebooks, free graphics, which you can download as well and use however you want. You have videos, which mostly consist of video tutorials as seen below, and most of these are actually grouped together. You have free templates, and these include the site templates. When you download one of these, all you have to do is click on here. That will now take you over to this page, and you will have a bunch of products to choose from. In my example, I just chose videos to show you how all of this looks like. When you pick what you want to download, just click on Get It Now, then scroll down a bit until you come across the download button. Download this product that you can then give out to other people for free as you have the license to do so. Bear in mind, guys, that you won't be able to download this immediately. The download button will be sort of locked, but you'll be able to unlock it by liking them on Facebook or something like that. It'll take you only like 10 seconds to do so. If you don't want to do that, then you can just register and create an account by clicking Join in the upper right-hand corner, but it's not really necessary to do so. Hence why I didn't do it myself. Anyway, your goal on this site is to download files that you will then re-upload onto the next platform. I highly recommend the videos as they will make you the most money, but of course you can use other products. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's go on to the second platform. This is the one that will actually pay us. The website is called uploadforever.com. This site is file sharing free cloud storage for your data. So go over to the site and you'll basically upload files on this site, and whenever someone downloads them, you will get paid a certain amount of money. This works because when someone clicks to download one of the video courses you uploaded, the site will show them various advertisements before they can actually download the files, and you will get a portion of that ad revenue, and this is a win-win situation for everyone. The advertisers get their desired traffic, you and this site share the ad revenue, and the person who downloaded the course got it for completely free. They don't have to pay anyone whatsoever. All they have to do for you to get paid is download a file. That's it. Furthermore, it's far easier to convince someone to download an absolutely free course or website template, whatever it may be, rather than to pay for someone, as would be the case if you're an affiliate. If that's not good enough, all the money that you will be making will be essential in passive income. All you have to do is upload a dozen or so files on here, and that's it. This site gets regular traffic every single month, and so people keep downloading files you've uploaded potentially months, if not years after you've uploaded them. You will forget about them, but still get paid nonetheless. For beginners with no skills and experience in making money online, this site is one of the best ways to get started. Anyways, by clicking on Make Money right up here, you'll see that you get paid every 1,000 downloads. That's how it works, but that's not all I wanted to show you. As you can see here, all the ways in which you can get paid, and there are not only a huge amount of them, but they include some of your favorite payment methods. Now, for any of you who perhaps have some doubts about the site's legitimacy, if this perhaps seems too easy to you, just click on payment proof and you will see evidence of people getting paid various amounts of money every single day through a bunch of the aforementioned payment methods. With all that said and done, guys, what you need to do to start uploading files is to register, and by clicking on sign up. Enter in your username, password, email address, and you can right away enter your payment info such as your PayPal address if you want, or you can do it later. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot and click on sign up and you're good to go. When you create an account and log in, this is how everything will look, and it does look quite nice. To upload any files, you might have to just click on Upload Files here and open them from your PC. The amount of money you made is located right next to that. To get paid, just click on the Request Payout below. And by the way, something really nice about this site is that there is no minimum requirement of money in your balance before you can withdraw it. So even if you earned as little as $1 or even less, you can withdraw it with no problems. Moreover, you have a lot of space to upload your files with this amount, which could, of course, lead to quite a bit of money made in passive income. What we will essentially do is just repeat the same process over and over again. You can come over to plrminds.com and download several files, then come back over here and re-upload them to get paid. Furthermore, there are other PLR websites out there that you can use if you don't like the amount of files PLR Minds has to offer. FreePLRDownloads.com being one of them, and it works in pretty much the same fashion. The last thing worth noting about this site is the referrals. Now, referring people here is a great idea because people can make money by uploading files. So if you can share this site with various Make Money Online groups on Facebook, for example, chances are one of them will be willing to click on that affiliate link of yours. The said link is, of course, located just below. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.